Good morning. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss the same chapter, that is chapter 8. We are going to discuss about topic 8. In the previous class we had discussed some traditional methods, some traditional sources to conserve the water. Now we are going to discuss about the water dependency in this class. Water dependency. Water independency. Now see, what is water independency? Water independency means do not depend for the water on different countries or different villages or different states. This is called water dependency. Now why there is a need for the water dependency. We are mostly focusing in the chapter upon the Rajasthan, because we are the resident of Rajasthan. Okay, let's see why there is the need for water, okay, independency. First, decreasing level of underground water. Decreasing level of underground water. Second, worst condition. We can call it worst or bad. Worst condition of sources of water. Third, silt, or we can write here collection of silt in dams. Collection of silt in dams. Okay. Fourth, reduction of raining. As you know that the volume of raining has been reduced continuously. Fifth, population growth. As you know that continuously demand for the water is increasing because there is the growth in population growth. Okay. Now fifth, see, decreasing level of underground water, worst condition of sources of water, collection of silt in dams, reduction of raining, population growth, more irrigation. Okay, this is also a reason, more irrigation. So these are the reasons. For what? Water self-reliance is necessary. We can say that reasons for the need of water self-reliance. These are the reasons. You have to learn them properly. I hope you can see. Okay, reasons for the need of water self-reliance. Okay, now see, due to these problems and lack of water, the problem regarding the water has become more serious. Okay, and now you know that in every village, in every dhani, in every area, okay, there are the water conservation sources like ponds, wells, johar, we had seen in the previous class. Okay, now they are not properly managed, and due to the, we can say that due to the useless condition, due to the useless condition they become worse, and there is the necessity of water self-reliance. Okay, now see what happened to make the Rajasthan or India. What happened? Water self-reliance, to make India and Rajasthan water self-reliance. What the government, okay, what the government has taken the steps, I am writing here. Okay, the government of India, the government of India and Rajasthan started, the government of India and Rajasthan started, okay, schemes. They started different schemes, and it is essential, it is mandatory to start the schemes, okay, to face the problems regarding the lack of water. Okay, started Jal Kranti Abhiyan and Mukhyamantri Jal Swavalamban Abhiyan respectively to cope the problems regarding or created by lack of water. Okay, now see, India started Jal Kranti Abhiyan and Rajasthan started Mukhyamantri Jal Swavalamban Abhiyan. Okay, these are the two projects which are started by Indian government and Rajasthan government. India started Jal Kranti Abhiyan and Rajasthan started Mukhyamantri Jal Swavalamban Abhiyan. Okay, now we will discuss about this project, okay, because we are the resident of Rajasthan and we are studying. Okay, so Mukhyamantri Jal Swavalamban Abhiyan in the next. Okay, thank you.